Recording official, take one. First I need to look up exactly what gun I want, and then I'll just some paper. I'm going to do the shotgun.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna cut this yet because I don't want it to be the wrong measurements, and this is the only one I have, so I don't want to waste this cardboard perfect barrel-like material.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living, but we could run from Elysium and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
have these two sides, which is good. It's actually alright, like this. It's supposed to be like this, and obviously when I'm going to cut it like curved sandpaper, this part is gonna be glued onto the gun, onto this, like cardboard. And this is absolutely not gonna move. It's only gonna be glued to here, and here, because there's gonna be something here, a paper or type of cardboard to close it and open it whenever you go, when you cock it with the, you'll see in the end.
If you want me to, 'cause we can run, and we can run. The stars that call all for you. So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run?
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do this part, the front of the gun. So the gun's like this. So the gun's like this. It's supposed to be like this. We're gonna do this part where it's perfectly circled and its width is the exact measurement, so that the barrel can fit, and then this one can fit as well. And then we're gonna get on with the rest of the gun, and then blah 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 blah. Alright, so we took a piece of cardboard, and now we're just gonna try to measure it. It's gonna be inside, not outside, because then it's gonna mess up the measurements. I turned off the light so you can see me better, but like, okay, so this is gonna be the cardboard that I'm gonna be using. I don't know if you can see, but like, is it too dark? But yeah, I'm gonna use this cardboard to fit like that. Okay, so it's not on too tight, so that's perfect actually, because this is gonna be glued, and there's gonna be a type of little thing here covering it to make it look more like the actual gun, and then just to give it more details and make it look cool. Sorry, making a lot of movements with my hand, but it's fine. Okay. I'm not sure if anyone wants to make this gun like the way I'm doing it, like the measurements, but just if, to show you. What's the measurement here? So it's that. And, but yeah.